Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get promo codes for Rainbet. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you first want to do is open up a web page and go to Google and just type in Rainbet promo codes and hit search. Now there's going to be a whole bunch of Google search results here, but we want to focus on two of these. So we've got sites like We Thrift It, Rainbet promo codes 50% off in May 2025. This is the time of my recording, and dealspotter.com. So you can check out either one of these sites. So the one I'm going to use for today is Rainbet promo codes from DealSpotter, 20% off. If we scroll down, we can see other promo codes available too. So if I want to activate any one of these codes, normally the top one or the best promo code is going to be at the top of the page. And also they've got stats on here as well. Another reason why I don't mind using dealspotter.com, because it's said it's been used 213 times, last used 4 hours ago, and this is also a verified coupon, because as we know, there's a lot of coupon promo codes that expire pretty quickly or they just simply don't work. So from here, simply click on show promo code, click on copy again or copy code. From there, go to checkout section in Rainbet and activate and paste that code in to activate 20% off selected items at Rainbet. Now, for whatever reason, if this promo code has expired, just move on to the next one.